Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Luke, and welcome to the road to Damascus. So, we are gonna be getting Damascus on Modern Warfare, starting out with some pistols. Gonna have. I think that doing the hardest weapons first, probably is gonna be the pistols. So that's what I'm starting with. We've been working on the M19. A little bit on the 357, and then the 1911 and X16 are already gold. And they look very nice. Look at that sexy gold. And the 1911. Whew! That is nice. So, yeah, stay tuned for some Road to Damascus, and I hope you guys enjoy. Oh yeah, we on Rust. It's a good way to start out the day, playing some Rust.
Capture and defend the forward operating position. Fuck me! Securing Bravo.
Oh my god, that man's so
We're taking Alpha. Enemy at the cargo.
Let's get up here and get some long shots.
Enemy VTOL with the AR. Hostile.
Long shot one. Oh, come on. No. Oh. Tiger stripes. Oh! Didn't know if that was a person. We got all of our long I I'm the only one of our teammates that goes. At least they're getting beat. Get out of here! Oh, you are so fucked. Goodbye! Oh, okay. He has killed me twice. Oh my god. Another one? I joined into another game that is in the middle of... Oh my god. And instantly, I kill a teammate. They have a chopper gunning already. Oh my god. What is this? What did I pick up?
Capture and defend the forward operator. Securing Bravo.
X-ray down. Reloaded.
Securing Charlie. Got a personal radar drone ready for
What did I just die by? Alright, so to quickly recap, we are 14 camos away from getting the M19 gold. Then we'll start moving on to the Deagle and the 357. And we're on our way to Damascus, baby. So stay tuned, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Thanks.